Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best N.O pills is probably one of the most talked about supplements for men's health and athletic performance, promising increased blood flow, muscle growth, and improved endurance. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for you? Today, we will be reviewing the top nitric oxide supplements on the market, comparing their ingredients, benefits, and side effects to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. L-Arginine L-Citrulline Capsules. These capsules combine L-Arginine and L-Citrulline to support your active lifestyle. It's designed to help you achieve peak performance and enhance your overall well-being. Each serving provides a powerful 1,200 mg blend. This ensures you get the support you need for muscle support and physical activities. It helps support nitric oxide production, which is important for exercise performance and overall vitality. Experience the benefits for yourself. These capsules are formulated to help improve your endurance and recovery. Push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. With 120 capsules, you have a convenient 2-month supply. Enjoy long-term support for your fitness and wellness journey. Made with vegan and non-GMO ingredients, it meets high standards for quality and purity. It's a reliable and hassle-free supplement. What we like. It provides a 2-month supply, saving you money on repeat purchases. If you're a vegan athlete seeking a non-GMO option for enhanced performance and muscle support, this is the perfect choice. It supports your fitness goals without compromising your values. What people say. This stuff is potent. I only take 1 pill a day before my workouts and the energy levels are amazing. This has helped me get past my fitness plateau and it gets me a fantastic pump. You can tell it's working after only a few days. You'll have more energy and feel motivated. Your significant other will like it, too. It does wonders for the circulatory system. Number 4. L-Arginine Capsules for Men. It's a powerful blend of L-Arginine and L-Citrulline, designed to help you achieve peak performance. This supplement is formulated to support your body's natural processes during physical activity. Each serving provides 1,200 mg of this key blend, supporting muscle function and overall vitality. It's designed for optimal results and to help you reach your fitness goals. It acts as a vasodilator, promoting nitric oxide production. This helps improve blood flow and supports peak performance during exercise. This supplement is formulated to help improve your endurance and recovery time. Fuel your active lifestyle and stay on top of your fitness goals. Each bottle contains 60 capsules, providing a convenient 1-month supply. It's easy to integrate into your daily routine for consistent support. Made with vegan and non-GMO ingredients, it meets high standards for quality and reliability. Enjoy a hassle-free supplement for your active lifestyle. What we like. This one packs a powerful 1,200 mg blend of L-Arginine and L-Citrulline. If you are looking for maximum muscle support during workouts and appreciate a convenient, 1-month supply, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to see quick results and easily incorporate it into their daily routine. What people say. This stuff is potent. I only take 1 pill a day before my workouts and the energy levels are amazing. This has helped me get past my fitness plateau and it gets me a fantastic pump. I've used many arginine products from different suppliers but Havasu Nutrition is the best by far. You can tell it's working after only a few days. You'll have more energy and feel motivated. It does wonders for the circulatory system. Number 3. Jacked Factory N.O XT. Introducing Jacked Factory N.O XT, the ultimate nitric oxide booster. It's designed to help you power through your workouts with incredible pumps and increased strength. This cutting-edge formula fuels nutrient delivery to your muscles, creating the perfect environment for growth. Feel the difference as it enhances your pumps, strength, and endurance. The synergistic blend of L-Arginine, L-Citrulline, and nitrosamine in this supplement maximizes nitric oxide production. Get ready for powerful pumps, lasting endurance, and delayed fatigue. It uses only the highest quality ingredients, including nitrosamine, a potent form of L-Arginine. Combined with L-Citrulline, L-glutathione, and biopyrin, it delivers a hard-hitting boost. Manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, it ensures purity and potency. It's free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes, so you can train with confidence. What we like. It's formulated with nitrosigine for enhanced muscle pumps and vascularity. If you're a serious weightlifter looking to maximize your workouts with intense pumps and improved vascularity, then this is your best bet. It helps you push your limits and achieve peak performance. What people say. Muscle growth and pumps. This stuff is legit for muscle growth and pumps. I've noticed some serious gains since I started taking N.O. XT. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular. The key players in this supplement, nitrosigine, L-Arginine and L-Citrulline, are a dynamic duo that synergistically boost nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels and improves blood flow. The increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to working muscles, enhancing endurance, promoting faster recovery, and fueling explosive muscle growth. The noticeable improvement in muscle pump and vascularity is one of the immediate benefits of N.O. XT. The enhanced blood flow amplifies the pump during workouts, giving muscles a fuller and more vascular appearance. Number 2. SNAP Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster. It helps your body distribute oxygen efficiently. This leads to optimal breathing and improved energy levels. It supports healthy blood flow throughout your body. This can help reduce tension and support both your respiratory and heart health. It provides natural energy without stimulants or added sugars. It helps your body access the nutrients it needs to keep you going strong. It helps maintain the health of your veins and vessels naturally. Look and feel your best. It's crafted by health experts in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. Most formulas are vegan, plant-based, and free of common allergens and added sugars. Made in the United States with globally sourced ingredients, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards. What we like. This supplement supports healthy breathing and circulation naturally. If you are looking for a natural way to boost energy and improve your circulatory system, this is an excellent choice. It helps you feel your best without relying on stimulants or added sugars. What people say. I tried it to get more energy and I did notice that I do have more energy and now I am always doing something around the house. Taken as recommended, I felt the difference in my energy level within 24 hours. No jitters, easy to swallow capsules. Good product. I take these in the morning and work out at night and still delivers a great pump. Number 1. SNAP Supplements Nitric Oxide Booster. It helps your body distribute oxygen efficiently. This ensures you can breathe easily and comfortably throughout the day. It supports healthy blood flow. This helps reduce tension and promotes both respiratory and heart health. It provides natural energy without stimulants or added sugars. It helps your body access nutrients to keep you going strong. It helps maintain the health of your veins and vessels naturally. Look and feel your best. Made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients, it's crafted by health experts. Most formulas are vegan, plant-based, and free of common allergens. What we like. This one also supports healthy breathing and circulation naturally, but in a more concentrated dose. If you value a shorter, more concentrated supplement regimen for enhanced breathing, circulation, and natural energy, this is a great option. It provides the same benefits in a more compact form. What people say. I tried it to get more energy and I did notice that I do have more energy and now I am always doing something around the house. Taken as recommended, I felt the difference in my energy level within 24 hours. No jitters, easy to swallow capsules. Good product. I take these in the morning and work out at night and still delivers a great pump. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.